Hello, welcome to the class of HTML5 programming. So today we are going to discuss about the position property in HTML or the positioning with CSS. So while using CSS for the page layout, there are some situations where we want to control the position of an element. For that situation, we will use this position property. So first of all, we will discuss what is a position property. So here the position property configures the type of positioning when the browser display an element in the browser. So here there are the four values for the position property. So these values are static, fixed, relative and absolute. So first of all we will discuss about the absolute value. So here I have designed this program where I have used this. In head section I configured this style element, and in between style element I use this h2 selector with declaration part. So here in declaration part I have used this position property. Syntax will be written as position colon, then we have to give its value, that is absolute. Then I have given the left margin and the top margin, and in the body section I have given the h2 header text first, and after that I have given the paragraph. So let's see how it will be displayed in the browser. So go to run and launch in Chrome. See here with this absolute property, absolute value configures the location of element outside of the normal flow. So here you can see that we have configured this h2 element with this position absolute, and with the left margin is 90 pixel and the top margin with 150 pixel. So it doesn't following the rule of this normal flow. Here you can see that this h2 tag is written after this paragraph, because here we have said its left margin with the 90 pixel and its top margin with the 150 pixel. So here it is following this position property, it's not following the normal flow. So this is how we can add the absolute value to the position property. So the another value of this position property is static. So right here static. So here the static property is set as default, and here the element display in the normal flow. So as you will save this program and remove this value from here. Now save it and refresh the browser. So you can see that here the program will display according to the normal flow, that is h2 tag first and after that its paragraph. And the another value of the position property is fixed. So here this value configures the location of an element within the browser viewpoint. So here the element doesn't move when the page is scrolled. So you can see that as we will save this program and refresh the browser, the position of this particular h2 tag will remain fixed. So if we will scroll the page, it doesn't scroll with the page. So this is about the position property, that is fixed. After that we are going to discuss about the relative value of the position property. So for that I have designed another program for the better understanding. So here in the head section I have declared the style element, and in style element I have used these two class, that is h2.ex1 and h2.ex2. So in this class declaration I have used the position property and with the value relative, and here I have set the left margin with minus 30 pixel, and with this in the another class I have used this position property with the relative value and with the left margin set as positive 30 pixel. So with this in body section I have declared the h2 element. After that I have declared the another h2 element where I have declared the class equals to class name, that is ex1. So here I declared the first class. After that in another h2, the third h2 heading, I have declared the class ex2. So let's see how it will be displayed in the browser. For that you have to go to this option run and launch in Chrome. So here you can notice for the first heading, that is h2, where we haven't add any of the positioning or the margin, so it will display as normal. So here there is no position change. After that, here that is in the, another heading, we have declared the class name as ex1 where we have add the left margin with minus 30 pixel. So here it will display as moved left according to its normal position. So its normal position is as we add the negative sign, so it will move left according to the normal position. So here it will subtract 30 pixels from the element original left position. After that, in the third heading, we have added the class name as ex2, that is the second class. So here in second class we have set the left margin as 30 pixel. So here you can see that it will move right according to the normal position, because here it will add 30 pixel to the element original left position. So here in this h2 ex1 class, it will subtract the minus 30 pixel from its original left position, and here in the second class, that is ex2, here it will add the 30 pixel to the element original left position. So in this way, these position properties are used with the different values according to your use in HTML program. So this is all about position property in HTML. Thank you.